Ready to revolutionize your cooking in 2025? The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 pressure cooker is absolutely the kitchen essential you've been waiting for. This incredible multi-cooker truly simplifies meal prep, saving you precious time and effort every single day. Forget cluttered countertops. Its impressive 9-in-1 functionality means it's a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, and more, all in one sleek appliance. With 15 customizable smart programs, you can perfectly cook everything from savory stews to delicate desserts at the touch of a button. It's incredibly user-friendly. Inside, the durable stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy, safe cooking and cleanup is an absolute breeze, unlike non-stick alternatives. What makes this Instant Pot special is how effortlessly it delivers consistent, delicious results, making it the best kitchen purchase for busy individuals. Find the link to grab yours below. If you're searching for a genuine kitchen upgrade or the ultimate cooking solution, this model offers unmatched versatility and performance. Imagine enjoying perfectly cooked, healthy meals with minimal fuss, transforming your dinner routine from stressful to stress-free. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner, this Instant Pot Duo Plus will become your go-to appliance. Click the Amazon link in the description to buy now. For a truly smart, versatile, and high-performing multi-cooker, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is our top recommendation and undoubtedly the best kitchen gadget of 2025.